During this group project, you'll all work together to improve the environment of the entire planet by reducing the commute time in Bangkok. Solutions you identify for Bangkok may well be adopted by other large cities. Los Angeles, Beijing, Delhi, Jakarta, the list goes on of traffic-congested large cities. Bangkok. The bad news is it's the worst evening rush hour traffic in the world, according to CNN. The good news is that the room for improvement is vast. So as your group researches the problem and identifies solutions, there'll be 1,000 questions. How did it get this way? Why is it so bad? How long has it been this bad? Is it getting worse or getting better? What can you do to make it better? Will the city leaders of Bangkok be supportive of new ideas, or will they be resistant? How do they measure how bad it is? Who measures that? Who compares it to other cities? And how will you measure for any improvement that you make? Your team will collaborate on this project to research the problem of Bangkok traffic, conduct online surveys using your smartphones to gather stakeholder input and ideas, identify possible solutions, and during the process you'll create 3 items: a painting, an app, and a video. These 3 products that your group creates will first be a large-scale painting that depicts the ideas and issues that you encounter along the way. You'll design an app that you believe will reduce traffic congestion, and create a video that chronicles the process. The video will include time-lapse of the progress of the painting, an explanation of how the research data led to the app design, and an explanation of how commuters will use the app to reduce their travel time, thus reducing traffic congestion in Bangkok. You'll post your video to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media. I included an image of one of my paintings. My wife and I visited Myanmar, and as you'll see, it's an assortment of images that I gleaned from that visit to that country. And I hope that your painting will be similar to this and that you gather visual representation of all the ideas you encounter along the way. Part of the project will include a gallery exhibit where this painting and any other materials that you create in your project will be exhibited, along with video monitors playing your video. As far as solutions, will carpooling offer a possible solution? Will better public transportation or an app to better manage public transportation help? Are there other forms of public transportation or improved traffic management or rush hour management or ride-sharing apps, traffic jam avoidance apps? Will disruptor ideas help? These should be looked at for possibilities. Other apps that are available help commuters manage their path through rush hour traffic. They should be investigated for ideas as well. Your app design will be a direct result of your research of the problem, and your solution will be one solution chosen from among many possible solutions. The app you create will be used by commuters to reduce their travel time, and the app must be designed so that it provides the information necessary to assess its own effectiveness. The rubric for this project will be I'll evaluate the group collaboration, evaluate individual member contribution, I'll sit in on the group self-assessments, evaluate the success of gallery exhibit by looking at opening attendance as a measure of your effectiveness in public outreach. A critical metric for any public communication project is how many viewers saw your video. So we'll be looking at that, and your group is expected to promote the video and maximize your outreach. I'll assess your online surveys for their effectiveness in communicating and gathering information and ideas. I'll evaluate member participation in the group critique of the painting, the app design, and the video. Together we'll review and critique your decisions on which data you could consider to be significant and which potential solutions you rejected or which you selected. Finally, we'll evaluate your app's effectiveness in potentially reducing Bangkok commute time. That's it. Thank you for your attention. I'll also be sending you all a written document detailing the overall project plan. Thank you.